So what's going on, everyone? We have the Vision Pro travel case here as well. We're gonna unbox it today. And basically, it's a good travel case because we are outside of Canada right now. We're gonna travel. We need this so that I use it as a pillow as well. Very soft. Just a lot of wrinkles. But I think that is the idea. Let's open this up. It's almost like buying a new stuffed toy or a new pillow. Inside of the case comes with this part right here, little pouch for your accessories for your Vision Pro. Silica gel, don't eat that. And it has this little pamphlet right here that you don't really need to keep, but they do have it right there. Pretty much that is what you get with the travel case right there. See what else is in here. Some literature right there showing you how to use the travel case like so. Again, it has this pouch right here for your plugins right there, very wrinkly as well. So we have the case right here, Vision Pro right there, polishing cloth, and the battery right there. So basically this guy comes in through here, cord goes in right there, strap it down like so. Pretty nice. I'm guessing this is like adjustable, as you can see there, and then to strap it down it's just a velcro like so. And that's where the Vision Pro pretty much will land, right in there. There it is. And then in the middle, there's going to be a pouch right there where your plug and cord will go. There it is. Like so. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to put that around like so. Because this technically could be plugged in like that. Put that right in there. Tighten that up like so. There it is. Close this back up. And you're done. So there you have it. Definitely recommend this for people who has a Vision Pro. It's a pretty easy case for it, and definitely a nice quality as well. Um, Kind of weird design, but it does work. So that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.